An exclusive. Sources tell ET now that PMO will chair an important meeting on rare earth magnets. Now, crisis issue out here dealing with that. Sameer joins us with more details. Sameer, what's in store and what's the current update?
That's a very important meeting to be chaired by PMO. It will be related to the rare earth magnet crisis, which almost major industry they are facing, whether it be the auto industry, the electronics industry. And this is all because we have seen that the dominance of this rare earth is from China side, and they have disrupted the supply chain. And now India is now looking to multiple options to ease out this disruption and also to reduce its dependence on China. So what we are picking up from our sources that this meeting, which is being chaired by the Prime Minister officials, it is also going to be attended by the senior or top level officials from the concerned ministry, whether it be from the Commerce Ministry, Ministry of Heavy Industry, Ministry of Earth and Sciences, and also from Ministry of Mines. So these all ministries, they are likely to give their presentation, how they are looking to ease out this earth rare magnet issue. In addition to this, we are also picking up from our sources that there are basically two steps or two directions which are largely to be discussed in this meeting. One is that Ministry of Heavy Industry, they have proposed a incentive-based scheme for the manufacturing of rare earth material, and this incentive-based scheme is of somewhere around rupees 1,345 crore. So that's one scheme that will be discussed. From the Commerce Ministry side, the discussion will be on the FTA part. So basically, with whomsoever country India is having a negotiation related to FTA, they are also having this agenda item of rare earth magnet as a discussion point when it comes to the FTA discussion. So these are the two directions which the government is taking at, but PMO will take a final call that how they are going to move forward and what could be the long-term roadmap to reduce the dependence on China and also to be self-sustained when it comes to rare earth magnet or the material. So that's a very crucial meeting to be chaired by the PMO on the subject matter of rare earth magnet and the entire crisis that the country is currently going in. In addition to this, we have also got to know from our sources that the auto body, SIAM, they have given a presentation on this entire matter to Ministry of Heavy Industry, and that presentation is also to be discussed in this meeting. So these are a couple of important developments taking place with this matter.